Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this exercise, we will learn to use the extrude, thin extrude, hole, thread, rib, and fillet. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make the base. So we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And the midpoint will be in the center of this rectangle. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this rectangle with 100 millimeters by 70 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 10 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to sketch, select the top plane, select the center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here. Go to smart dimension. The distance here, 100 millimeters by 70 millimeters. And now go to fillet. Select this line and this one. The radius is 10 millimeters. And press OK. And now we needed to create this hole here. We have 4 circles with 10 millimeters of diameter. And this circle is concentric with the arc. Okay. So let's create this. So select the circle. Click here in this point. This point is the center of the fillet, okay? And go to smart dimension. The diameter here, 10 millimeters. And now select the circle, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard, select the others circles, and add the relations. And here we will select equals and press OK. We made this one. And now we needed to extrude this profile. So go to features, select Extruded Boss base. The distance here is 10 millimeters. So the distance 10 millimeters and press OK. We made the base. OK. And now we will create this profile here in the front plane. So here we have a line with 15 millimeters and we have an arc here, tangent in the both sides with 15 millimeters of radius. And we have another line here with 30 millimeters of length. So let's create this. Go to sketch and select the front plane. Select the line, click here in this edge, make a line here. Move this a little bit and go back to this point to create an arc. And make another line here. And go to smart dimension. This line 15 millimeters, the radius is 15 millimeters. And this line here has 30 millimeters of length. We made this profile. And now go to feature, select Extruded Boss base. And here we use the thin extrude. And the thickness here is 10 millimeters. And we needed to extrude this 40 millimeters, okay? So the thickness 10 millimeters. Make sure that the thickness here is to outside. And the distance here 40 millimeters. And make sure to edit here and select mid plane. Okay, the difference when you select blind or mid plane is this one. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will make this cylinder here. So to create this, we will select this face to create a sketch. And we will make a circle with 40 millimeters of diameter in the center of this edge. Okay. And we need to extrude this to 2 sides. This side here, 5 millimeters. And to the other side will be 20 millimeters because we have 25 millimeters of length. So go to sketch, select this face, select the circle, find the center of this edge here, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and go to features, and select Extruded Boss base. And the direction 1 will be 5 millimeters. And active the direction 2. The direction 2 is 20 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create the hole here. And the hole is M20 x 2.5. So let's create this. And go to Hole Wizard. And the position. Select this face here. And we will find the center of this arc and click here in the center. And the type here. Select hole. Standard ANSI metric. And the size here 20 x 2.5. And the end condition, select all. We made this hole. And now to make the thread here, go to thread and the thread location. Selected this arc here, this circle. And the end condition, select up to selection and select this face. Okay. And the type here, metric, the size M20 x 2.5. And here select the cut thread, but we need it to mirror profile. Okay. And here you can use the offset. Select the thread location, select the offset, flip the direction just to make a cut from this face here. I use the 3 millimeters and press OK. And now we'll use the rib to create this body here. So the first thing that we'll make, we will select the front plane and we'll make this line. This line is coincident in this point here. Is coincident here and tangent with this face, okay? So let's create this. Go to sketch and select the front plane. And I will rotate this a little bit. Select this edge here and convert entities. Okay, we made this. And here, select this line and convert this to construction geometry. And select the 3-point arc. Click here in this point and click here in this point. Make an arc here. And select the arc and this line. Make this tangent and press OK. We made this one. And now go to features and select the rib. The contour here, we select this line. And the thickness here is 10 millimeters. And here, flip the direction and press OK. We made this one. And now we need to add the fillet to some areas. And all the fillet is 2 millimeters. So we have a fillet in this rib. We have a fillet here, and we have a fillet in this two edge here, okay? So go to fillet and select this edge here, this edge here, this one, this one, this one, this one here, and the fillet here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.